This is the plaintiff, Kobe Beef O'Brien, a Kaufman City official. He claims the defendant is going ahead with their new construction project without the proper city permits, including a toilet permit, a water permit, 2 toilet permits, and a toilet permit. He's suing for the cost of the missing permits, totaling $52,000. This is the defendant, Marcus Rowdy, a local missionary. He says his ministry, Selah Tiny River, has legally acquired all the proper permits and has no idea why the plaintiff is harshing his mellow. He's accused of failing to fork over city dough. What you are witnessing is real, maybe. The participants are not actors. They could, for all you know, be actual litigants with a case pending in a Texas municipal court. Both parties have agreed to dismiss their fake court cases and have their equally fake disputes settled here in our forum, the Missions Court.
Hi, I'm Doug Lamellon, and welcome to the Missions Court. This is the case of the missing toilet permits. Now, the plaintiff says that the defendant never procured the proper permits in order to build his building, yet the defendant maintains that he did in fact get all of the proper permits, and he says this is a stinky situation. Let's head into the courtroom as the testimony begins.
Sir, I know you've been sworn. I've read your complaint. What is your relationship to the defendant?
I mean, he's trying to build
Mr. O'Brien, what is your relationship to the defendant?
He came to me a few months ago.
Okay, so you don't even want to answer them. Fine. Mr. Rowdy, I understand that you
I'm trying to tell you.
Bailiff, Mr. O'Brien, I will have order.
He will have order in this court. You okay? I'm okay. I'm sorry. I'm just doing my job. You want a sandwich? I got some bologna and Swiss back in my...
Bailiff! Mr. Rowdy, you say you legally acquired the proper permits.
Yes, Your Honor, as these documents will show.
Thank you so much. These are nice. Are you okay? I'm okay. I'm kind of hungry.
Bailiff!
As you can see from these documents, I secured these permits months before construction. I'm not sure why Mr. O'Brien's records don't reflect that.
Listen, if he had requested for those permits, why would I be dragging us into this courtroom right now?
That is indeed the pertinent question, Mr. O'Brien.
With all due respect, Your Honor, anyone can produce a document with the date on it. My office never received such a request or payment, and they're gonna need their toilets. I mean, what are they gonna do? Get a portable toilet trailer delivered to their property?
Mr. Rowdy?
Mr. O'Brien, are you not friends with one Mr. Trent Wenzel? Your Honor, I would like to submit into evidence a short video clip.
Ooh, impressive. Vintage. Did you know that Video Vision has snow cones in?
Please play the video for the court.
Your Honor, that's Mr. O'Brien with his close fantasy football buddy, Trent Wenzel. Mr. Wenzel lives behind our building, and I have it on good authority. He's displeased with how our building obscures his gorgeous view of 987 and the feral hogs beyond. Notice the envelope.
Bribe money.
Bribe money indeed.
Now wait just a minute. You don't know what's in that envelope right there. For all you know, it could be Pokemon cards.
Yes! Mr. O'Brien! I could take you, by the way. What do you bench, like 50 pounds?
In my sleep.
Taking a bribe to halt construction on a ministry in your local community? Get out of my courtroom. My judgment is for the defendant.
So the judge finds for the defendant, Mr. Rowdy, and here comes Mr. Rowdy right now. Mr. Rowdy, how do you feel?
Well, Doug, I'm glad that justice has been served. We need our toilets, and we're going to get our toilets.
And you smell that? That's the sweet smell of justice. And with that, we wrap up another session of the Missions Court. I'm Doug Lamellin, reminding you, if you find yourself in a dispute with another party over missions and you can't quite work it out, don't take the law into your own hands. You take them to court.